Are you looking for the makeup bags? In this video we will look at some of the 4 makeup bags on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The most reliable makeup bag. Dimensions: 6 inches high x 9 inches wide x 4 inches deep. Materials: cotton. Colors: 19. Fashion news writer Danya Isai has had her Vera Bradley cosmetic case since high school. "I don't feel bad roughing it up and wiping extra lipstick on it or spilling in it," she says. "The fact that it's held up for 13 years? I'm getting emotionally attached." While the patterns might have changed over time, the interior pocket and durability make this bag worth a trip or two, even if one of them is down memory lane. Number 2. The best hanging makeup bag. Dimensions: 12.6 inches high x 9.1 inches wide x 4.3 inches deep. Materials: polyester. Colors: 12. As a long-term digital nomad, I love this bag's smart water-resistant travel case, which is easy on the eye and has various pockets, says travel writer Rosie Bell. Not only is the bag available in multiple colors, but it has 3 separate pouches to fit makeup and toiletries, and it can be hung up in. To avoid any unnecessary breakage, a hardcover makeup case is a great option. This duo vanity case from Atoil is made from a luxurious faux leather, while the inside reveals 2 separate compartments containing a fold-out mirror, a number of pouches, and a detachable divider insert. Think fast, there is only one colorway available, and the rest are in pre-order. Number 3. The best large makeup bag. Dimensions: 20 inches wide, when expanded. Material: polyester. Colors: 15. If you're still struggling to get it together, fake it till you make it with this fun contraption. Simply throw all your crap onto the flat circle, tuck a few of the cylindrical things into the straps, then pull the drawstring to create a bag. Once you get to wherever you're going, reflatten the bag to quickly see what you packed without having to dump it all onto a bed. If you have been slowly honing your craft as a makeup artist and have more products than you can fit in your vanity, then consider a professional makeup bag, like this one from Makeup Forever. It might not be the best option when traveling with just a carry-on, but the attached strap is ideal to take to and from your makeup gigs. Number 4. The best makeup bag for Maximalists. Dimensions: 10.2 inches high x 9.8 wide x 3.8 inches deep. Materials: cotton and nylon. Colors: 2. This customizable carry-all comes with plenty of pouches and an impressive 7 sections. The sections are made up of removable dividers, so you can customize and create the divisions best suited to your makeup collection or current mood. Available in 3 different sizes and 2 colorful prints, this makeup bag is waterproof and fully lined. It's perfect for travel because the plastic covering will prevent scuffs and scratches.